rivers and waterfalls of Cerro Azul. Where are we going? To the rivers and waterfalls of Cerro Azul. Come, do not miss it. Come, let's get in the beautiful nature. And show you above we have the Alto del Vigía waterfall. In the middle we have the Romeo y Julieta waterfall, and below the Charco Azul waterfall. What can we enjoy as a family? River and waterfall between the rocks, low, crystal, clear waters with a story of light and dark tones. You can sit on them. Yes, you look up, you all see green trees next to the rivers, but above you will see the blue sky. You can breathe fresh air, and from it has comfortable little ranches for you to relax with your family.